Hi everyone, Alex Diamond here, and in this video I'm going to go through everything you need to do to prepare for and pass the AI Specialist certification. This certificate, as well as the AI Associate certificates, are both free to take until the end of December 2025. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is studying the exam guide. This will tell you exactly what you need to know to prepare for the exam itself, as well as the sections you need to study for. I'll be doing a subsequent follow-up video that goes through each of these sections in more detail as well. But go through that exam guide. I've put a link in the comments too. The next thing I'd recommend doing is, rather than diving straight to the Trailmix and going through it sequentially, actually dive into the videos for each section first. This will give you a comprehensive and holistic understanding of what you need to understand for the exam. I reckon just by watching the videos themselves, you'll probably get to about 50% of what is on the exam, which will then get further cemented when you actually start to go through the badges themselves. Then obviously go through the trailhead badges, making note that the badges themselves and the Trailmix was prepared before the exam was updated, so there's no sections on Agentforce. You will need to find some additional badges to go through on Agentforce functionality, because that is now on the exam instead of Copilot. Go through each of the badges and spend some time playing around with the AI functionality, paying particular attention to anything you need to do to set up, turn on, configure the AI functionality within Salesforce, permission sets that are required, any APIs that are needed, also paying attention to any limits on the functionality, because that will help you to understand and conceptualize what's needed for the exam. The navigation screens are also important, so understanding where things sit on screen when you're going through certain steps will come up on the exam as well. The final step I'd recommend doing is watching some further videos that go through the exam itself, going in depth into all of those sections. I feel that watching videos on the exams just gives you another frame of reference, and it also covers some things that you might have missed or forgotten when you were going through the badges in the first place. I'll be releasing a video series that goes through each of the sections of the exam shortly, so be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks very much.